Huwag kang mag-sorry, huwag kang mag-sorry. Kailangan natin engage dyan sabay-sabay. Heal nyo mage natin. Step up. Wait lang. May cooldown kayo. On cook sa southeast look at southeast on me. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. On me. Come back. Spread. Ready. Poppy pots. Defenses. Oh my god, Gemma Lin. Bakit sobrang lapit mo ba, Gemma? Ano ka namamatay ng ganun? E-shaper.
Oy, gago ka.
Patayin nyo itong tank sa loob.
Hindi na ano yan.
Ano yan? Ba't nadamay dyan?
Okay
Ano ka nakuha yan?
DC.
Huwag nyo na i-mind. Gemma, bakit ka namamatay ng ganun, Gemma? Ready, defend shallow. Southeast, look at southeast. Southeast, step up, southeast, deep, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep on the choke. Okay, come back. Okay, nice, kill 3, come back. Shaper, i-demon nyo. Patay si card, high card, nice.
Come on, no way.
Do. Bagal naman ng mga kasama ko. Nasaan yung mga kasama ko? Look at south choke na lang to mas madaling engage dyan to look at south get ready, south shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south shallow. Come back agad. Ready, defenses on me, full defense. Okay, E-shaper, careful pa-watch na E-shaper. Pahil ako.
Yun, nalis siya
E-shaper. Uy, pa-watch. Sira yung
Well, nag-drop ako ng idol sa or.
Grabe yung suicide na yun.
Uy, paano naman? Pa-watch naman. Saan yung mga alay? Saan yung mga riggers ko? Ba't ang bagal nyo? Lapit-lapit ng 2 zones away, Heal nyo to. Heal nyo yung mage. I-beam nyo.
Hindi ako naka-beam.
Ay, heal nyo.
Okay. Kill lang. Puno din yan. Ako puno yung buhay. Pag nalilish.
Hindi, ganun talaga yun. Nagre-reset lang. Pero, ang threshold niya is yung Engage ta. Looking. Defend now. Southwest on the choke only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke only. Shaper. Demon that.
Hindi pala naka-flash yung knock-up.
Tek na ako sa shaper dun
Kailangan i-list ng mage. Reset kayo cooldown. Ayan. Raymond, panoorin mo yung shaper sa southeast. I-stop mo na lang. Ay, natin ko pa si Drix. Kulang pa tayo DPS I-engage na yan Get ready Yo, everyone step up. Everyone step up south side. South. Okay, south. Go south lang. Walk south lang. Look at me, deep on me. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on me, guys. Deep on me. Hello. Nasaan na kayo?
Ano ako?
Come back. Sige. Yo, one shot na nila itong mage na to Tapos kakait tayo agad Looking. Defenses. Okay, now come northeast. Kite. We kite now. Come northeast. We kite. Come north lang. Dadalhin natin sila sa choke na to. Come north lang. Come north pa, okay? You get ready to turn south, okay? We're gonna turn south on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South on the choke. Okay, keep kiting. Come back south inside Terry. Okay, spread inside. Defense side. Okay, come south. Kite south. Sige lang. Kite south pa. Kite southeast pa. Reset ng cooldown dito sa akin Nasaan kayo? Keep coming. How many seconds cooldown? Look at me. Everything on me. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Oh, everyone out. Spread na.
Masyadong madami.
Madami na.
Ang dami kasi wala.
Negetsu!
Hindi lang nabubura.
Fuck me!
Kahit 2 point.
Heavy mace ata dapat